Okay, guys, I need you to take this very seriously because I want you to count how many marks you guys are getting. All right. And tell me how much you got. So we're gonna have 10 MCQs. Okay, listen very, very carefully. We're gonna have 10 grammar MCQs. Yes, I go through each question, choose the answer even as I'm reading the question, and see when I give you the answer whether you get it correct. All right. I really want you guys to pay attention to this because PSLE is just round the corner and we do not want to be slacking anymore already.
Teacher, my PSLE oral next Tuesday.
Yeah, we
Oh,
don't care about
everyone
which paper is it?
today is October 30, right? Sorry, or August 5th,
October
right?
30, what the day?
Or August 5th, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
It's
today
August 5th. I thought August 4th. What else is?
October 30, then we finish PSLE now.
My boy birthday was 4th of August, bro.
5th of August.
Wait, sure, which paper is it?
30, darling.
Wait, no, like, is it tutorial 29 or tutorial 28?
30, darling. Tutorial 30.
It's not tutorial 30.
Oh, but then last year, last week, you didn't go through
Bro, shut the hell up, bro. I ain't asking you, bro.
What?
You didn't go through last week's one. You were
What?
sick.
Last week we finished everything.
No,
She
you
wasn't
didn't go
sick.
through our
She just
homework.
went through oral. That's it. She never went through.
She didn't go through our worksheet.
Which worksheet are y'all talking about? Are y'all having a worksheet that I don't have?
No, you're doing
Worksheet 29.
You're supposed
You
to do
didn't go through.
worksheet 29. Bro, how about you shut the hell up, Javen, bro?
What do you mean by worksheet 29? We did worksheet 29 already.
No, we
No, we
didn't.
didn't.
Yeah,
Jinx.
Yeah, sure, we didn't. Sure, last time you skip the homework.
Yeah, because
God
you,
is a melody.
and then you asked us to do compo.
No, we didn't do combo.
We did
Yes, we
oral.
did. No, we did compo and oral.
No, we did oral. You don't fight with me, your power.
I didn't want to. I didn't even
So
want
we
to
did
fight
we
you,
did
bro.
compo. We did compo.
But you're so weak. Whenever winds blow, you fall down, bro.
Come, I show it to y'all.
At least I'm
Huh?
not fat.
Come, I show it to y'all.
What do you mean you show it to us?
Watch. Tutorial.
I don't see any.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Patience.
Oh, okay.
Bro, I can't even find tutorial 29 anymore, bro.
Do you worksheet 29? Watch.
That was-
29. We did this. Situational, control, visual text. We did situational. You see my
Yeah,
writing.
for sure. Last time you skip that and then we did oral and compo.
No, we did.
Yeah, we
all-
don't.
I wrote
we
all this.
No, Joe, that's the thing.
Oh,
did
yeah,
this.
we did.
You did this, but you never went through the paper.
I did the whole thing.
No,
And then
okay,
we
you
did-
went through the slides. Yes, you did went through the slides, but you never went through the paper.
What paper?
The paper, the tutorial.
Detective Anna.
Okay, you are being given a paper that I wasn't given, most probably. Because I went
Yeah,
through
yeah, because the homework and the worksheet you go through is not the same.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, that means they must have given you the wrong homework.
The homework we did like all grammar MCQ and like grammar close, and then we have like visual text.
What is
Yapper.
What?
Or let me write down and I think I'll email one of them and ask what is it that you guys are having that I didn't have.
My Katniss Vulture. It's just tutorial 29. It's not that hard.
Tutorial 29 was a homework, is it?
Yeah, the homework.
Let me go check.
I like your background.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Chewy.
I mean, but it's Cristiano Ronaldo.
It's so cool. Well, you guys are so stupid yourself.
Was it a closed passage or what was it?
It was oral
It's
composition.
vocabulary,
and-
MCQ, grammar, close, and
Hey,
oral.
hey, Haley, stop talking when I'm talking. All right? Show some manners, bro.
So it was tutorial 29.
Yeah, we never did tutorial 29.
Let me look at your homework. I don't have.
Teacher, maybe we just continue 30.
No, Javen, do you want to slow this class down or not?
What?
I'm
What?
trying to retrieve it. Hang on. I can't find anything here. Give me a
Oh my skibidi sigma. Shall we did
Okay, so there was okay, I got it. Because I didn't get this at all. I don't get this. All right, no worries. A teacher is always very, very flexible.
Are you sure? Okay.
So I will see if I can do this. Is this the one you guys
Yeah, that.
is this the one you guys had? And
Yeah, I
didn't-
got everything correct.
Okay,
you got
never mind.
oh,
Our
you
class
got
That was not me. That's not me.
Okay, hang on. Our class was dashed and started shouting and screaming when we won the interclass.
Yeah, that one.
It's not flattered. Okay, flattered means someone has given you a compliment. They were not bemused. They were euphoric. Euphoric means extremely happy. All right, our class was euphoric. Okay, so this material wasn't in my slides. Okay, so it's not your fault. Neither is it my fault. But it was a good thing that you guys alerted me.
Wait, so
All
whose
right,
fault is it?
it's okay. The football team were dashed when they lost the game to the arch rivals. So the football team, they were not isolated. Isolated means to put aside. Wait, is everybody here?
I thought isolated means die.
I know you're not on camera, but please make sure you're paying attention. Give me a thumbs up
Isolated means like I.
with the reaction button. See, give me a thumbs up with your reaction button so that I know. Okay, perfect. Okay, the
Did you
football
have-
team were devastated. Devastated means extremely upset. All right, so it's not just upset, but it's extremely upset. Let's go through number 3. She did not sit down, but looked at him with a dash sneer, waiting for the valet to go. Valet is a person who comes and takes your car and parks it for you. All right, not conscious is the opposite. Not despondent. Despondent means very sad. Not defiant, that means very angry. But this is a contemptuous. That means she is like giving him, not really. Yeah, I see what Ayman is doing. Yeah, that was that. Thank you. All right, Mark was absolutely dashed when he found out that Peter had lied to him for years. So can you imagine someone had lied to you for years? You are livid, okay? Livid means extremely angry.
Wait,
All
this is
right,
my
it's
paper.
not timid. Vivid is a term that we use to describe colors. Vivid colors means bright colors. Timid means extremely shy. All right, it's not placid, it's livid. So number 4 is D. All right, number 5, when I visited Thailand, I stayed in a dash village, which was 2 hours. So anything that is so far away, it's not just it's not far-fetched. When you use the word far-fetched, Javen, I'm using Javen's worksheet. She told me that aliens abducted him. That's a far-fetched story, a story that is not believable, a story that is not plausible. I teach you a new word, plausible. Plausible means what? A story that could not have happened. But when you say a village
Far
is
fetched
2
is
hours
far
drive,
because it's 2-hour drive.
it's not far-fetched. Far-fetched means if Javen comes and tells me that he had dinosaurs for breakfast, that is far-fetched. How can you eat dinosaurs for breakfast? You know what I mean? All right, so it's not far-fetched. It's not ostracized. Ostracized means you put people away. I ostracize him because I don't want to talk to him. All right, not quarantine. You quarantine people when they're sick. All right, isolated. All right, so isolated means it's so far away. All right, this naughty boy didn't attempt this worksheet, but never mind. Let's go through this. I'm going this really fast, okay, guys, because I think the rest we did already, right?
Sure,
Did
sure.
this already.
I never printed out the worksheet, so I was trying to use my tablet, but for some reason it won't let me log in. So that means I can't. Yeah, I can't do. I need to do all of this.
Yeah.
You're talking
How
about the
about
one I'm showing you right now?
So basically, I never printed out the worksheet because my father forgot. So I was trying to use my tablet, but my tablet can't.
Are you
for some
talking
reason,
about week 29 or week 30?
both?
Okay, it doesn't matter. Just look at the screen, okay? So the Great Wall of China, all right, the Great Wall of China is known to be over than 1,900 kilometers, making it far longest wall in the world. And you know what is the beautiful thing about the Great Wall of China? It is the only man-made structure that can be seen from moon, all right? The building of the wall is said to have begun in 3rd century BC. The reason for its construction was to keep the Huns out of Central Asia. Huns referred to a group of people. A lot of effort was put into the construction of the wall. Over the century, the wall has often been added to and rebuilt and repaired. In fact, many thousands of people died while building the wall because of the weather and the harsh treatments, all right? Not just the weather, but also many people lost their lives. This was done to give China more protection from the invaders. Invaders are people who come and try to get control, all right? And then despite its size, which means it's very, very big, however, the wall failed to stop invading armies such as the Mongols and the Manchus. So Mongols and the Manchus came to China and they invaded. The wall, the wall is still of great importance today. It is the most common emblem of China for the Western world. The Great Wall is generally recognized as one of the most impressive architectural feats. Feats means something that not many people have done in the human history. In 1987, UNESCO designated the Great Wall as a World Heritage Site. There's a misconception. Oh, so it's a misconception. There's a misconception that the Great Wall is visible from space, but this notion has been debunked by various experts. So you see, Miss Gloria also believed that that the Great Wall is the only one that can be seen. All right, I'm going to stop here right now. Why is Sini always going? I didn't kick her out. Well, Sini left again. Sini, are you okay?
I saw you kick it out.
I will slap you. You silly
What happened to Ayush?
Yeah, I have evidence.
What happened to Ayush?
Sini, are you there?
Ayush.
And also what happened to
The girl.
the one annoying girl who keeps lying down? What's her name again?
Caitlin, that one, the ugly.
Yeah, where did she go?
I'm not sure, darling. I'm not the one who looks after registration.
Please,
Let's do this very quickly.
Is it the one that always lie down? The fat one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the one who
Raven?
showed the naked brothers.
Raven, can you please? All right, number one. Let's do. Who's going number one? I forgot who I gave number one. I didn't kick you out, Sini. You silly fools. I didn't.
See, calm down lah, calm down lah. What? She stole your Happy Meal.
Okay. All right. Number 5 is Aiman. Who's number 4?
Number 4 is Haley.
I'm number 3.
No.
Oh yeah, number
Number
4
one.
is cinnamon roll.
4 is Sini. Who's number 3?
I am
But she's Zeyang. No, Zeyang, you're number 1.
Ziyang number 1. Sure, remember I heard you say Ziyang number 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's good there for
Sure, you say Ziyang me, then I don't know who Haley Aiman.
Yeah, it's Ziyang me. I mean Ziyang you me.
Like,
No.
is Zeyang that old? That he
Ziyang was number
Well,
3.
Aiman is first.
No, I'm 5th.
Ziyang-
Yeah, he's fifth. Sini is 4. Sini is 4.
Zeyang is first.
Yeah, you said you're
Javen is. I think Javen is 3rd and Haley is 2nd.
No, I'm second.
Oh wait, Haley is 3rd.
Ziyang is Ziyang me, Haley, Aiman, then.
No,
I'm me. I'm me.
Do you forget your numbers? Do you fail your math back?
Do you remember your own number?
All right, listen, I'm giving you new numbers. Okay. So, Javen, you kept wanting to go Ziyang first. You're going to go first. Javen, number 1. Haley, number 2. Ziyang, number 3. Sini, number 4. Aiman, number 5. All right, let's do this. Okay, Haley, you're number 1, darling. Sorry, Javen, you're number 1. Javen, you're number 1.
Kevin, as well as his sister, always eats chicken noodles every Saturday. I can explain because the between the two commas is extra info, so we focus on Kevin, and Kevin is singular, so we have to have the S at the end.
Oh my God, that was the perfect explanation. Subject, verb,
Javen was
agreement.
Javen
Javen,
was explaining why they were
you
eating chicken
you blew my
noodles.
mind. Javen, you blew my mind away. This is extra information. So Kevin eats chicken noodles every Saturday. I'm really very impressed by you, Javen. All right, let's go. Number 2, Haley. Hey guys, I want everyone to try this and tell me how much you scored. Haley, number 2.
Yeah.
But I forgot how much I scored.
Daisy drew a picture of a garden to which Lucas added some butterflies.
Sorry, could you repeat that again?
Put the
Sorry, darling. Repeat that again. Daisy drew a picture of a garden.
to which Lucas added some butterflies.
All right. Why is it which? Why is it not who and whom? Because it's not a person. This is a thing.
Yeah.
So you cannot say who